Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to address some of the concerns many of you shared on my last video. In that video, I explained that the Envato Element plugin is no longer available. In fact, on the official website, Envato has clearly mentioned that this plugin will be not available. I also showed you that even if the Envato Element plugin is not available, you can still import templates using another plugin called Template Kit Import. So many of you appreciate that tutorial, but I also received a lot of comments and questions. Some of you were especially concerned about where can we download Envato templates now, and what will happen if the template kit import plugin also gets removed in the future. How will we import templates then? And these are very valid questions, so in today's video I will cover both of them and give you a clear solution. And don't worry, I will also put that link to that video in the description in case you have not watched it yet. So first, let's talk about how to download Envato templates. So you need to go to the Google and simply search for Envato Elements. Open the official Envato Element website. Here from the menu, select WordPress or anything you want. Then search for the type of template you want by entering its name. But make sure you are logged into your Envato account before downloading. Now when you scroll through, you will see a huge variety of templates available. You can open any of them and download the file. Some people asked whether Envato still offers free templates. So a few years ago, yes, Envato did allow users to download some free templates. But now you need to purchase a subscription to download and use templates. Without a subscription, you won't be able to access most of the templates. So logically, if you are serious about using Envato templates regularly, subscribing is the only reliable way. And one more important thing, every month or sometimes after a few months, Envato offers free items on their website. These can include video template, poster designs, and sometimes even website template. I will also share the link of this page in the description of this video. The good news is these items are completely free. So if you are lucky, you might even find a website template available to download without paying anything. Now let's move on the main step, how to import Envato templates into your website without using any plugin. Since I am subscribed to Envato, I get full access to download templates. What I usually do is, I set the filter to website templates. Then under the plugin compatibility, I select Elementor because Elementor compatibility is very important. It ensures the design works smoothly and can be customized easily. After applying this filter, I search for the template I want. I will search for the templates which I want. So here's the one template I like. I open this template. You can also live preview this template and see how it's looking. So here you can see it's a very clean design. So I want this on my website. Now scroll down and you can see here all the requirements and required plugins. So here's some required plugins. Usually what happens when we download the templates from Envato or any plugin, these requirements will automatically install with the template. But when we import this template manually, we can download this plugin manually as well. So you can check the required plugins and one by one you can install it on your WordPress website as well. So just download this template. Once the template is downloaded, it comes as a zip file. Extract that file. When you open the folder, you will see the different folders. You can open template folder. And here you can see all the templates, and it is a .json file which is very important. This is the file we need. It is the actual template that we will import into the WordPress. Now let's move to the WordPress dashboard. Now you have two choices. You can import the file directly as a page or you can import it as a template. For this video, I will show you the template method. So now click on a template and add a new template. You can follow the same steps if you want to import it directly as a page, but for now let's do it as a template. Set the template type as a single page and create it. Now you will come to the Elementor editor interface. At the top, you will see the Elementor template library. From here, click on the Import option. Next, select the folder you extracted earlier and go to the .json files. You will see that all the pages are available there: home, about, contact, and more. You can choose whichever page you want to import. Just select it. Continue the setups, and from here click Enable and Import. And after a few seconds, it will appear in your template list. Once it's here, just click Insert and the template will be imported right into your page. As you can see, it loads perfectly. But you might notice a little bit of styling issue, but you can easily fix that using Customize, and make sure to install any required plugin that the template mentions. After installing those plugins, your design will look exactly like the live preview you saw on Envato. So this is the best way to import Envato templates without relying on any plugin. Right now, the official template kit import plugin is still available, and you can use it if you prefer. It is very easy to use. To just install that plugin and go to the tools, click on template kits, and here you can install your required template. Install all the requirements and these will available on your website. But if in the future that plugin is removed or stops working, this manual method is your best backup option. So that's it. I hope you like my video. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.